welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. Welcome to a new video. I feel like the time has finally come for me to take you guys on a little road trip to the gym with me. So make sure you got the snacks, make sure you got a cup of tea, make sure you are comfortable. I'm going to be showing you my favourite glute and leg workout today. So I thought in this video also it'd be cute to like get ready for the gym together. I can show you like my new skincare routine, what I eat before I go to the gym, what I drink before I go to the gym, and what I'm wearing to the gym. So yeah, I'm super excited for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I need to show you the weather today because it's bloody delightful, let me tell you. What a beautiful day. It is honestly stunning out there. Look at that blue sky. I mean, if that doesn't just bring you instant joy, oh, it makes me happy. First things first, I need a coffee in my Moody Cat mug. No, I can't even leave the house without coffee, let alone go to the gym. So I'll leave that for me down here whilst I take you upstairs. I really want to show you guys my skincare routine that I do before and after the gym. It's so, oh my God, I feel like I'm climbing Mount Everest or something. I feel like it's so important to cleanse your skin before and after the gym. This is a new routine that I've been doing for like the past month, and honestly it's made such a difference to my skin. I feel like it's so much clearer, it's so much softer, it generally just looks so much better. Here's my little gym bag ready to go. So let me just grab these and I'll take you into the bathroom, my darlings. Tilly looks like a little washed up seal. Hi hun, you're right. I'm currently balancing you on some products, so if you suddenly fall, then we know why. So the first thing I will always do before I go gym, after I go gym, is I will use a little bit of the Garnier cleansing water, aka holy water. I'll put a little bit of this on a cotton pad and just wipe my face. I find this just gets off any dirt or like sweat or anything like that before you actually start cleansing your face, and it's also amazing for after the gym because it's so refreshing. After using the cleansing water, sorry if it's a little bit echoey in here by the way, I can't really do anything about it because I'm in the bathroom. So my favourite cleanser to use is the Clinique foaming cleanser. I have been using this for absolute years. I used to steal my mum's. I remember my mum used to have like a cabinet of Clinique, and when I was like in my teenage years I used to always like nick a little bit of each one, but now I've got my own. If you've got sensitive to dry skin, this is incredible. It's so nice. You need the tiniest little bit and it just foams up and it feels just, it leaves your skin feeling so soft. And then to actually cleanse my face, I'm going to be using my Foreo Luna 3. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks. I can't actually explain how much of a difference it's made to my skin by just including this in my skincare. I feel like this really just gives your skin such a deep cleanse. So it comes in this little pouch, so what I usually do is take it to the gym with me, because what I tend to do is as soon as I've finished my workout, just give my skin like a minute clean with the Foreo. I find it prevents breakouts. That's like the most common time I'll tend to get breakouts if I don't cleanse my skin after the gym, so it's so important to do that. So the Luna 3 is actually controlled by the Foreo app, which you can download on your phone. It's so clever. Like when I first discovered this, I was like, I'm so excited to show you guys today. So if I go onto the app, you can actually customize your cleansing routine. So depending on whether you just want to have like a quick little cleanse or a really deep cleanse, you can specify all of that on the app. And then if I go to this section at the bottom, you can actually choose little massage settings, which I just think is absolutely amazing. So if I swipe through, there's loads of different massages here. And basically, if you start the treatment, the app will talk you through how to massage your face. Like, I just think that's absolutely incredible. It's perfect for like little pamper evenings. I've never owned anything like this before and I'm just absolutely amazed by it, to be honest. Okay, so I've just popped my hair in a rather awful bun there. On the app, what I'm gonna do is before the gym, I usually just select the 60-second on duration and then the intensity level 8. Are you ready to see how cool this is? So you literally control it through the app, which I just think is so handy. So what I will do is I'll just apply a little bit of the cleanser, which I just spoke about. You need the tiniest little bit of this. So I just put this on my face. As you can see, this is so soft and it just feels so nice on your skin. And then I'm literally just gonna work it all around my face. Honestly, This feels like I'm getting a massage at a spa. It's so relaxing, and you can really feel it getting in all your pores, almost like pulling out any dirt, any sweat, anything like that. It's so important to clean your skin after you've been to the gym as well. Like, I never really realized how important it was. When I started adding this into my skincare routine, like religiously, as soon as I'd finish my workout, I just noticed my skin looks so much better. It's so much clearer. Like, I barely ever get breakouts now. If you're looking for clearer, softer, just more glowy skin, then this is definitely for you. What I'm going to do is leave a direct link for this in the description box below, just in case you guys are interested, but I could not recommend it enough. So as I mentioned earlier, on the opposite side to the little cleansing brush, you have the massage side. Like I said, there are a range of different massages on the app, which I just think is amazing. I think to be able to cleanse your face and massage it in the same little device is just so useful. So as you can see, this side is a lot smoother. It's ridged, so it's really going to give you like a firming facial massage. And what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of serum onto the Foreo, and then I'm going to choose one of the massages on the app. I'm going to go for Contour Crazy today because I feel like we all love a bit of contour, don't we? And then the app will actually tell you exactly how to do it, so you just follow the instructions on the app, which I will insert on screen now.
Place the device with pressure on the middle of the chin, then gently place on other pressure points around the mouth and across the cheek. Next, slowly glide the device from the chin outwards towards the base of the ear.
I'm not gonna lie, right? Why go to a spa when you've got a Foreo? Do you know what I mean? I can't wait to have like a full-on pamper night, face mask, and do this. So that is pretty much it. I'll usually then pop on a little bit of moisturizer or something like that. One of my favorite moisturizers is the Clinique Moisture Surge, or I also, oh god, my cupboard's falling to bits. I also love the Elemis Overnight Matrix. So nice. Again, if you've got dry, sensitive skin, this and the Clinique Moisture Surge is amazing. I've literally been using them both for years. So yeah, like I said, I'll be linking the Foreo Luna Free in the description box below. Could not recommend it enough. I know you guys love a bit of skincare, so I love to share like little secrets with you. So this is definitely up there on the recommendation list. So here's my little gym outfit for today. Everything I'm wearing is from Fabletics. These leggings, oh my gosh, I did a little haul on my Instagram story a while ago, but they're so high-waisted, they're such a nice fit. They've got these really big like pockets in as well, which you could pretty much fit your entire life in there, like, I'm not gonna lie. So it's really good to hold your phone in there. And then I've also got this little zip up top, also Fabletics, and this sports bra. This sports bra is so cute because it's like one-shouldered. I really love like one-shouldered stuff at the moment. I think at the moment they have 2 pairs of gym leggings for £24, which is insane. They're honestly so nice. They come in so many different colours as well. But pretty much every time I go to the gym, you're going to catch me in this outfit because it's my favourite. You know when you have like a go-to gym outfit that you just feel like really comfortable in, you just feel nice in it? That's that gym outfit for me. I feel like if I feel confident going to the gym, I don't know, like I feel like if I like what I'm wearing and I feel nice, I feel like I have a better workout. Does anyone else feel like that, or is that just me being weird? So it's currently 9 AM in the morning, so it's breakfast time. So because I'm going to be doing like a leg and bum workout, I always find I have a better workout when I have something carby. If I was just going to do cardio or something, I'd usually just do it fast and I'd have food when I get home. But because I'm going to be doing legs and bum, I want to have something that I feel like is going to help me. So my favourite breakfast to have is some protein oats. So I've just got 30 grams of oats in here and then 1 scoop of protein. This is my favourite protein to use. It's from Woman's Best and it is the strawberry banana milkshake flavour. If you like protein that doesn't actually taste of protein, just tastes like a milkshake, this is definitely the one for you. And then I think these are just from Tesco's. Yeah, they are. So I'm going to add some coconut milk to this and then pop it in the microwave and eat that. And then I'm actually going to take a protein shake with me as well to drink on the way home from the gym. Because I think sometimes after doing like legs and bum, I can feel a little bit like airy. Is that the right word to use? Like my head's a little bit like light after that. So I find if I take a protein shake with me, because the gym's like a half an hour drive away, if for any reason I'm feeling like a little bit lightheaded, I can just sip on my protein shake on the way home. So the plan is I am going to eat my breakfast, drink my coffee, and then head over to the gym. So yeah, I will see you at the gym.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know.
Hello everyone, back in the same spot. This is like my new filming corner. I've just got home. I'm just about to jump in the shower and do my little post-workout skincare routine. It's exactly the same as the one I showed you earlier on. My skin feels just horrible, and I know as soon as I do my little skincare routine, I will just feel back to normal. And then I'm gonna probably have some lunch, because 11:30 now, so by the time I have finished in the shower, it'll probably be like 12-ish. So for lunch, I am gonna have one of my little meals that I've prepped. I've actually done a weekly food prep video, so I'll link that in the description box below. Let me grab one of the meals to show you what I've got today. I don't really want to make that so dramatic. Gemma, stop. So for today's meal, I have got a little fruity chicken salad. So I've got some mango in here, some peri-peri sauce, and then some chicken and some veg and pomegranate seeds, and I'm so excited to eat that. I'm absolutely starving now. So I guess that is gonna go ahead and end the video. So the workout that I just did at the gym, you will notice I only filmed one set of each just because I didn't want it to be boring, and honestly it's so good. I find like this gets your legs and bum into shape with no time. I don't do heavy weights anymore because my body type, it just does not suit me. When I do heavier weights, I gain muscle so quickly. Some people might think that's really, really lucky, but when you don't want to be like muscly, it's hard. So what I tend to do is I tend to do high reps and a low weight, and I think that just keeps me toned. Like it doesn't make me kind of like bulk, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you're anything like me and you gain muscle really, really quickly, stick to low weights, because I found that really, really helps for me. See more of these little videos, then just let me know. My healthy eating series is back, so lots of healthy food videos coming your way. So if you'd like to see more workout ones, let me know. I've got a really good like ab workout, so if you'd like to see that, I'd love to film it, so just let me know. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.